Hello, my name is Alex Brower. I'm with True Door Property Management, and today I'm at 282 Tangelo in Irvine. This one bedroom, one bathroom condo is in the Orangetree Community. It's about 730 square feet. When you enter into the kitchen, you also have your washer and dryer in here. This property has been freshly painted and has brand new carpets. Nice open floor plan, makes it feel pretty large for 700 square feet. You get this nice big living room. And a bar to the kitchen. And out on your little patio, you have a really pretty view of the water. It's very relaxing with the fountains in the background. The whole community is very cute and tranquil, relaxing. The grounds are well kept. Has 2 pools and a tennis court that you'll have access to. You also get 1 assigned carport. Here's our bedroom. Nice big closet, and then you also have an additional storage space out here with a closet. And our bathroom. Tub shower combo. Again, this is 282 Tangelo in Irvine. It's a cozy little condo on the bottom floor. If you're interested, please visit our website at www.truedoorpm.com. Go to our rental search, type in the address, and I'd love to help you get into this condo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.